Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix the SCEP certificate enrollment initialization failed error on Windows 11 and Windows 10. This error typically occurs when Windows fails to enroll or retrieve a certificate via the Simple Certificate Enrollment Protocol SCEP, often due to misconfigured certificate templates, network issues, or permission problems within Active Directory or group policy. Let's get started. Step 1, open Command Prompt as administrator. Open the Start menu, then type CMD in the search bar. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. Step 2, scan and repair system image using DISM. Type the following command and press Enter. This may take several minutes. It checks and repairs issues in the system image. After the DISM command completes, type. This command scans and repairs corrupted or missing system files. After completion, restart your computer to apply all changes. You've successfully fixed the SCEP certificate enrollment initialization failed error on Windows 11 and Windows 11 10 using two powerful built-in tools. Good luck and see you next time.